Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how I make butter poached lobster tail. First we have to clean the lobster tail just like I'm showing here. Begin by cutting the top part of the shell. Then turn it over and make a cut along the bottom. Using a spoon, carefully remove the meat from the shell, making sure to keep the shell intact because we will need it. Look how beautiful it is, like a butterfly. Next, take some melted butter, add some chopped parsley, chopped garlic, lemon juice and paprika powder and mix everything well. Now first season the bottom of the lobster tail with salt and black pepper. Many people tend to skip this part. I don't know why, but it's important to season both sides of the lobster. After seasoning, brush the butter mixture onto the lobster tail and then flip it over and repeat the process on the other side. Preheat the oven to 450°F and cook the lobster for at least 10 to 12 minutes. You'll notice a beautiful orange color on the shell. But we are not done yet. Take the butter mixture we prepared earlier and brush a little more on top of the lobster tail. And just like that, our butter poached lobster tail is ready. You can plate it with your favorite sides and it's all set to serve. Thanks for watching.